Yo, what up, man? It's your boy Windy City Rider. We out here in the garage, back in the dungeon, about to get some things going on, man. You see, we got the bikes out in the alleys. My wife's bike here, the Super Low 883, and of course the Road King, and then the Road Glide, which is the topic of discussion today. We're gonna go ahead and throw the front tire on. That is the rear tire, but we're gonna go ahead and throw the front tire on for today. Just getting off work. We're gonna see if we can break this up into 2-part videos, 2 days, but 1 day for you guys. A little editing magic. We're gonna go ahead and get it going. So we change the look of the bike. Throw those new J's on that baby. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna loosen up the bolts holding on the calipers. These are a 10mm 12-point socket, I believe. I'm gonna go ahead and get those removed. Shit. Alright, we're back. Let me get my gloves. Is this a project? Yeah, we're gonna let them hang for a second. I know we shouldn't. I don't drink, so I don't really have any Crown Royal bags. We're gonna get some zip ties and zip tie it to the crash bar some kind of way. We'll figure something out. Let it hang for a quick second. Brakes are good. I just did these last year, so. Repeat the same process on the other side. Alright. Now that we got both sides removed, both calipers are off, we'll go ahead and get something to tie those up. Put the camera back where we were. Alright, we'll get something to tie those up, zip tie them or something. Alright, now we got that just zip tied to the crash bar just to keep the weight up off of the actual brake line. Alright, now we'll move forward with taking loose the 5/16 nut on the axle. I'm sorry, 5/16, 15/16 nut. We'll go ahead and take care of that, get that loosened up for you guys. Sorry about the camera moving. It's a one-man band around here. We got that loose. And we'll go ahead and remove the pinch, like on the lower fork. It's like a pinch nut or something here. Alright guys, we back. Had to go to Home Depot and buy some stuff I already owned. Just couldn't find it. Well, gotta get the job completed, so no use crying over spilled milk. We're gonna go ahead and use the number 6 hex head bolt Allen socket, I'm sorry. Go ahead and get this pinch bolt loosened, which holds the shaft of the motor in place. Shaft of the motor, shaft of the wheel in place. Go ahead and loosen that out. Put that down. We'll go ahead and I already got the axle nut loosened, so we'll go ahead and jack the bike up a little bit, the way we can actually, let's see how much pressure we got on the wheel now. That's not much, so we'll go ahead and loosen that now. Taking this front wheel off, you got spacers on the brake side and not really on the clutch side because you have the ABS module and everything over there, but we'll go ahead and jack it up a little bit. Came out easy because last time we did put grease on here. It's always good practice to put grease on the axle shaft before putting it back in. If you get caught on the road, have to make a repair, take the wheel off, and let's say you had to put it on the back of your homie's bike, or somebody got to carry it. Whatever the unforeseen circumstances are on the road, you can easily get this out and get that wheel to a Harley Davidson nearby, or any motorcycle shop that can repair flat. So we'll go ahead and remove the spacer here on the left. We have 3 indicator lines here. Those face the outside. Just food for thought. So we'll put those down. Sorry about the camera work. We'll go ahead and remove the ABS module with the built-in spacer. Now that we got that, I can go ahead and hang my brake line to my crash bar. Got too many things going on at once. Or engine guard. Let's stop saying crash bar. Just so the weight doesn't hang on the brake line, cause damage. So now we're going to go ahead and jack the bike up. Alright, this is where it pays to have good friends, man. My big dog Rasta had a slaughter. Go by the name of Slaughterhouse. He has a denim street glide. He ended up upgrading his 21 to a 23, and I'm the beneficiary of a denim wrap fender. I mean, it just really don't get no better than that. Props to my dude for being solid, man. I really appreciate you. All right, now that we got the fender off, we'll go ahead and try again. When it doesn't pay to be anxious and lazy at the same time. Normally doesn't work out well. Much better. Guess it wasn't so bad, just doesn't pay to be lazy. That's simple as that, really. start reinstalling the axle nut. Now we'll take the lock in the pinch on the bottom of the axle. Now we just gotta find out where we put all the damn tools. Now that we got it somewhat tight, we'll go ahead and jack it off of the ground just a little bit. That's good enough. See? Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. All right, let's go ahead and tighten this up. Those good bearings. Well, I didn't even really spin that hard. Yeah, really looks good. I'll go ahead and install the ABS module. The brake caliper lined up there. Don't forget to use a screwdriver to push the pistons back in for the brake caliper, because they're going to be fitted for your old rotors. So you must use a screwdriver to get those back in there. Sorry you hear my dog out there barking, but hey, Connie Corso, man, they do what they do. That one. On to the other side. Let's go ahead and cut the zip tie again. Let me get you guys back over there. Cut that. Same thing. Where's my screwdriver? Let's spread those calipers just a little bit, just so we can get it on the new rotor. These brakes are new as of last season. I mean, I did it at the end of last season, just in case you guys are wondering why I am not changing brake pads. The brake pads are perfectly fine. Good to go. The front is complete.